Hi guys, this is Katie and today I wanted to talk to you about the best Christmas things to do in Bangkok. So after living here for the last 4 years, I thought I would share my favourite things to do in Bangkok at Christmas. So the first thing is the shopping malls. So the shopping malls in Bangkok really do go above and beyond at Christmas time. They have decorations everywhere. Central World is my favourite place to go to at Christmas time because not only do they have massive trees, but they have decorations inside and outside. They have these pop-up shops, they have like a Christmas market. It is fantastic. And M Quartier also have a fantastic display outside of their mall each year as well. So the next thing to do at Christmas time, and it may sound strange, is Ikea. So Ikea have some fantastic Christmas decorations, and obviously it's known for a place to buy furniture, but in Bangkok they are really trying to push having more Christmas decorations, and you can get trees, wreaths, anything that you might need. You can also get wrapping paper for affordable prices here too, so I would definitely recommend it. They actually bring the Christmas decorations out in like October, November. So this is the perfect place to go to if you want to get ahead on preparing for Christmas. The next thing to do in Bangkok at Christmas time is a Christmas afternoon tea. So there are plenty of fantastic afternoon teas available in Bangkok. And these shops are from the peninsula. We went for a festive afternoon tea a few years ago and it was gorgeous. Not only can you go to a hotel and have afternoon tea at a hotel, but you could also choose to have an afternoon tea delivered. So we had Waldorf Astoria deliver a afternoon tea set recently and it was amazing. So have a look at the different options available in Bangkok, but I would highly recommend enjoying a festive afternoon tea here. So then the next thing that I would recommend you do in Bangkok is to visit the Bangkok Christmas Decoration Export. So this is a warehouse and they do all of the decorations for the shopping malls and the hotels here in Bangkok. You can go and look at all of the various decorations they have here, and this is actually where we got our Christmas tree our first year in Bangkok. They have so many decorations, lots and lots of glitter, lots of ornaments and wreaths to choose from. We have visited here every year pretty much since being here. I will leave the link on the screen for our trip this year, but we absolutely love this place. It is so beautiful. Even if you're not looking to get a new Christmas tree, it is just fantastic and a great place to get into the festive spirit. So the next thing that you can do whilst you're in Bangkok is go wreath making. So these workshops are run every year by a company called Graze and Blossom. They do hampers and gift sets throughout the year, but at Christmas time they do these wonderful wreath making lessons. I have done them for the last 2 years. You get to make this beautiful wreath. They have lots of different things that you can put in the wreath, whether it is bells or flowers or ribbons, all of those types of things, and it's a really lovely evening. You get to meet lots of other female expats. It's often women that go to this, if I'm honest, but if this is the type of thing you're interested in, then I would highly recommend it. You have some little snacks and gingerbread and mulled wine, and it's just a wonderful way to get into the Christmassy spirit. I will leave the link for this company in the description if you are interested in booking this for next Christmas.
Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas!
Then the next thing I would recommend whilst you're in Bangkok is to go to the Christmas fairs. Now these are not often, but one of my favourites every year is Hope Fair. So this is a Christmas fair that is held in On Nut every year, and they also have other markets like Christmas markets as well. Often they're inside, but things like there's a Danish Christmas market that happens each year as well. But here you'll find lots of local stores and lots of local businesses selling Christmassy items or selling gifts. This is a great place to go to if you're looking for some gifts to take home at Christmas, if you're looking for some more Christmas decor. We always love going to these markets. It's a great way to get into the Christmassy spirit, and they always have a Santa as well, which is great. Then the next thing I would recommend whilst you are in Bangkok is to visit Chatuchak Market. Now this isn't a festive thing to do, but it's definitely something I would highly recommend during the winter time. 1, it is cooler, and 2, it is a great place to buy gifts. They have everything here, whether you are looking for bath and body type products, whether you're looking for clothes, jewellery, food, candles. I think they even, they have sculptures and decorations and decor, like house decor. There is so much that you can get here. You name it, you'll probably find a store in here that sells it. And this is a great way to spend a weekend in Bangkok. It's a weekend market. Go early, prepare to spend some time here because there are thousands of stores. Then the next thing I recommend you do at Christmas time in Bangkok is to visit Asiatique. So Asiatique is a waterfront pier in Bangkok. They have a few rides, but they also have plenty of restaurants and bars. It is along the water, so it's nice and cool. They have some stalls and food markets here, and at Christmas time they decorate for Christmas, and it is really a magical experience to go to, so I would highly recommend it. Then the next thing I recommend doing is visiting Dream World. So Dream World is an amusement park here in Bangkok. They have obviously lots of different rides that you can enjoy during the day. And again, because December is a cooler month to visit Bangkok, then it is a great time to go. But also they have Snowtown. So Snowtown is an area of this theme park where you wrap up warm in plenty of layers and you go into a little ice area. You can go like sleighing, and it's a great way to spend a day getting a little bit cooler in Bangkok. So the next thing is Chocolateville. So Chocolateville is a restaurant on the outskirts of Bangkok, and as you can see, it is a pretty impressive place normally anyway. They have lots of really interesting European styled buildings, and it's really popular for those wanting to take Instagram photos. But at Christmas, it becomes a winter wonderland. They have fake snow, they have decorations everywhere, and it is a great way to spend an evening, especially if you are visiting Bangkok with family. Which leads us on to the last thing to do is our Christmas dinner. So you have 3 different options when it comes to Christmas dinner. Personally, we always choose to go to a bath Christmas dinner. We like to just relax on Christmas Day. We don't want to cook ourselves. For us, we always go to a place called Fitzgerald's, which is a bar in the Nana Plaza area. So it's not the most family friendly area, but believe me when I say the bar itself is lovely. The people there are incredibly friendly, and we always enjoy a lovely meal there. The food is fantastic. But most Western styled bars, Irish bars, that type of thing, they all have Christmas Day dinners. So we will leave some of our favourite bars in the description below, but they tend to start at 1,000 baht per person for a 3-course meal, great portions, great food, and that's just something we choose to do. Your second option is to cook food yourself, so you can go to grocery stores like Villa Market or Tops Club, which is like a new Costco, which in fact we're going to tomorrow. So I will share with you that experience tomorrow. But you can get Western food from there, get yourself a turkey, get yourself your Yorkshire puddings and all that stuff, and have your own Christmas Day dinner. And lastly, you could go to a hotel. So all of the hotels in Bangkok will have either a Christmas Day dinner, Christmas Day lunch, or Christmas Day brunch. And you could also find a lot of places that do Christmas Day buffets as well. So it really does depend on what you are looking for. There are lots of options to choose from. But those are just some of my favourite things to do in Bangkok at Christmas. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, make sure you hit subscribe for some more Bangkok content coming very soon. And I shall see you tomorrow for another day of Vlogmas.